times 0. Part 3 of my carving a pumpkin.
3?
Yeah. Well, whatever darn part was.
Don't rush. Turn. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god!
Slow. Not a race.
Is it?
It's okay, just try to keep it close to that as you can. Round. Shape of a mouth, you know.
I'm gonna connect this to my line? Oh, there we
It's
go.
okay. Just follow your pattern, but just keep it,
Keeping it the same way.
yes, as close as you can. Make sure you line it up at the top though.
Oh my god. That good?
It's up to the corner?
Yep, it's right.
All the way up to the top of the corner.
Right here. It's like
Not
this.
all the way. Up to here.
Oh, it's going all
Oh,
the
you
way.
went in too far. Gotta keep it out. Gotta go. Bring it out more here. But it's gotta go in first. You just go slow like this.
Well,
There. And then
okay, I can do that.
be careful on the top corners, they're hard. You start here first. Wait. Wait.
Like good?
Let's see what it looks like.
Heck!
I think we're upside down.
Oh, I went to the teeth. Gotta go all the way up, right?
To the corner. Stop there. No.
No, it's okay.
You
It's
gotta
not.
go. You gotta go here and here. You gotta cut out all that black. So I'll bring it up to here first.
All the way up?
To the corner, yeah.
There.
So the rest of that,
So can I pull this out now?
yeah. But we're not.
We don't need this though.
I want to cut this black here too. These corners. Careful. Slow. Slow. Remember, wait. Wait. Stop. 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 Gotta cut this out anyways to make it look bigger. Smaller one.
Okay, can I do that? Can I do the teeth?
Use a small one to do the. I'm not doing teeth yet.
What do we do now?
Corners of the mouth.
What do we do with this piece?
Swing back. You got this little piece
I'm
here.
gonna pour a smiley face again. I got another pumpkin right here just in case I fail.
So you can use the small one to fix the imperfections from the big one.
Okay.
Mom, what was that song? The Elvis song the guy was singing?
What are you doing?
Hmm?
You're supposed to take that out?
Yeah. So this side. Just try to make plenty of corners.
Probably could use that for pushing through the skin too.
So now we're gonna have to dig the inside. Wait, I'm not done now yet. Relax. Leave your teeth.
Well, guys, I'm gonna see you in part 4. Bye bye.
Like your teeth look, they're all crooked goose. So you can fix that with this.
Bye bye. I'll be back when it's finished.